welcome to my mom's tasty recipes. Today I am going to do golden halwa which is made by wheat flour. It is very tasty and very simple to do. For this halwa we require less number of ingredients. We will see what ingredients we have to take. See, 1 cup of sugar, 1 cup of wheat flour and 1 cup of water, half cup of vegetable oil and half cup of ghee. It is desi ghee or normal ghee you can take, and you can take you can see here, and I have taken 10 cashew nuts. For this halwa the important thing is how far you should fry the wheat flour. That I will show in the preparation method. Keep a pan, switch on the stove, keep in lower flame, and now add half cup of vegetable oil. Let it to heat. Now take another pan, add water to it and 1 cup of sugar and let it to boil. Now here oil got heated. Now add sliced cashew nuts and let them to fry. Now you can see they turned into light brown color. Now add wheat flour and stir continuously on low flame. Keep the flame in low, it is very important, and stir continuously until the wheat flour is cooked. Now we can see the wheat flour turned into light brown color and a nice aroma is getting from the wheat flour. This is the position. I have told you the simple tip. This is the correct position. See, sugar was dissolved in this water. Now pour this into this wheat flour and switch off the stove, and now you stir it continuously. You can see now you add, at this position you add ghee to it and stir it well. Within minutes you can prepare this halwa very easily. You can see halwa was done. You can take into a bowl and serve hot, and it is, you can see it is very easy to prepare. Please like, share, subscribe our channel, click the bell icon, and thank you everyone.